Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Inside NFTs. Okay, really big week coming up this week. Yeah, this week we potentially have the Bitcoin ETF approval coming. Indications are that that's coming on Wednesday. But guys, who knows when that actually impacts NFTs? So in NFTs, we have some big stuff coming too. Two major projects on Bitcoin and also on Solana are ramping up for their big week next week. We're getting details on both of those today and throughout the week. We also have one of the most highly anticipated Web3 games launching tomorrow, and these guys are launching with a CyberTruck as their prize. And so you feel the market waiting out these big events. And on that note, let's take a look at the NFT market. We're going to kick it off taking a look at the Forkast 500. We are down in the red again, 1.53%. Now in the past 7 days, down 5.79%. And on the 30 days, we've erased almost all of December's gains here, down 11.12%. Yesterday's global NFT sales slightly lower from Saturday. You can see $42.2 million. Unique sellers, unique buyers, total transactions also throttled back. And trade profits only $500,000. First time in 6 days we haven't cracked $1 million. And yesterday we also wrapped up our first data period for 2024. Really decent sales here with $303 million in cross-chain sales. Again, like the daily view, in the weekly we were down in sellers and buyers and transactions. Trade profits though looking fantastic, $15.5 million in the positive, more than double what we saw last week. And as far as what's moving the market, those gas hero common heroes on Polygon, the #1 collection in the past 24 hours. Yeah, they're dethroning the general Ordinals collection. Dokyo on Avalanche coming in at 4, followed by 2 more gas hero collections. The Mutant Apes and the Fraganas are rounding out the top 10. Some PFPs helping us finish strong here. Now guys, I don't remember if I mentioned this yesterday, but for a period of time, Polygon flipped Ethereum in the blockchain rankings. All right, if you were touching grass this weekend, good on you, but I wonder if you missed out on some TinFun. Guys, this TinFun collection kind of came out of nowhere. It's an NFT collection with a really interesting mint mechanic. Okay, so to mint one of these TinFun NFTs, which by the way, it's too late now, you'd go on their website, you'd send them 0.1 ETH, and you're entered into a lottery. Now, if you're selected, of course, you get the NFT. If you're not selected, supposedly, you're getting your 0.1 ETH back, so there's no losing. But how wild is this? They took in 25,000 ETH. Of course, this screenshot's a little early. I want to emphasize here, though, 25,000 ETH is $55 million. So clearly, traders are locked and loaded, and they're ready to play this NFT game. And while you're putting a lot of trust in that team to not run off with $55 million, I really like the mint mechanics. Now, one of the biggest NFT mints coming in January, it's arriving on Bitcoin. We've talked about them before. It is these Pizza Ninja Ordinals. And today's a big day for them because they're dropping their Git book. So beyond the PFPs looking incredible, the team came out and said they're going to be very expensive for them to mint. Guys, they've baked all kinds of tech and utility into these. Clearly, there's a lot more going on here than just a PFP. Now, the public sale next week over on Magic Eden. But again, today, that Git book coming out, 88 pages of goodness telling us all about this project. I'll be diving in for you, telling you what I find out. And guys, tomorrow is a big day in the PixelVault world. Their BattlePlan Auto Brawler is finally launching here. And guys, in this game, they're giving away a CyberTruck in the first competition. All of a sudden, PixelVault doing everything right. Getting the influencers, getting the prizes, now with the token involved. Bunch of hard workers over there, so really rooting for these guys to succeed. Something else that might be coming this week is a brand new Opeppen Set. Now, this tweet came from Jack Butcher yesterday, and I gotta say, if this is the collection, it may be the first set that every NFT in the collection is unique. Normally in Opeppen, there's 40 of one NFT, then there's 20 of another, 10 of another, then you have an addition of 5, 4, and then a 1-1. Again, in this set, looks like you might actually have 81 ones. Now, probably the hottest thing coming on Solana, it's those CryptoUndeads. Guys, I see them all over my timeline. And right now, those whitelists are selling for 17 plus SOL over on secondary markets. We know very little about the collection, though we're starting to get a tease with the art, which is looking like some pretty great pixel art. And we also know the founders of very active CryptoPunk. So fam, just check your favorite communities, see if they're giving out whitelists here. It's probably one you don't want to miss. I'm going to end here with a small correction to yesterday. Yesterday's show, I said someone paid $45,000 to inscribe some raw data on the Bitcoin blockchain. Guys, it wasn't $45,000, it was $66,000. Right now, nobody knows what it is because it's encrypted. Could just be a time capsule, could be a scavenger hunt or an Easter egg for someone to find down the road, and it could just be a giga Bitcoin whale having some fun with us all. Whatever it is, you can't deny Bitcoin has just captured the attention of the whole NFT space at this point. Again, it's just a magical ecosystem. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in here. If you're watching over on YouTube, please make sure to subscribe and like the videos. Also over on X, you're going to want to be following the CryptoSlam account. My lips are sealed, but again, follow CryptoSlam. Now, tomorrow I'll be back with my newsletter and with your 5-minute morning update where we're hitting on all the NFT news. We're talking all the happenings. Remember, if it's happening in NFTs, I'm bringing you inside. Until the next time, I'll see you.